What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In the super quick guide, I'll show you how to download the free-to-play Battlefield 6 Battle Royale RedSec super easily. If you already own the game, it's very simple. Just launch it, click Manage, and you can start the download immediately. However, if you're trying to download Battlefield 6 RedSec on Steam, for example, you might be hitting a brick wall if you don't own the game. Battlefield 6 is still listed as a paid game, and there's no option to download for free. What you need to do instead is search for Battlefield RedSec, a completely separate item on Steam. While it is technically a DLC, you are able to click Play Game and get it for free. Once you do this, it should launch up, download, and you can play the free-to-play Battle Royale. You'll find this page linked down below for your convenience. The same goes for Epic Games. You'll search for Battlefield RedSec, a completely separate title you can get and add it to your account for free, assuming you don't already own Battlefield. Finally, if you're trying to get it on the EA app, you'll need to again search for Battlefield RedSec, and again you'll find a link to this page down below, which should have a combination of places where you can get it, including the EA app. Simply select your platform here, and you can download it / go to the store where you need it, and just like that, you'll be able to play Battlefield 6 RedSec in no time. Just to let you know, you can check the description down below for an optimization guide on Battlefield 6's RedSec to get the best competitive edge. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.